Hello students, welcome to 11th Commerce Accountancy in Introduction to Accounting. We are watching the accounting terms and today we will see about the next terms that we have to see. So now we will start with the receipts. Yes. What are receipts? Receipts is an income which is earned by sale of goods, services, okay, or sale of assets. So what is receipt? It is an income of any business which is earned, which can be earned by sale of goods or services or sale of any asset. Okay, that is called receipt of any business. Okay, now this receipt are of two type. Okay, that is of capital and that is of revenue. Okay, capital receipt and revenue receipt. Now first of all I will tell you about capital receipt. That what is capital receipt? It is an income which gives benefit for more than 1 year or will be in a big amount. And one more thing, it is irregular income. Yes, this is very important. It is irregular in nature. Okay, so capital receipt is what? Which is irregular in nature. Okay, which would be in a big amount, or it is an income which gives benefit for more than 1 year. Okay, so that thing is called capital receipt. Now I will give you an example. Suppose we are selling our furniture. Okay, so furniture is what? It is our asset. Okay, and we are selling our furniture, so we are getting some income in reward of that. Okay, now that income is not a regular basis because not we will not sell our furniture year by year. So that is not a regular income for us. That is irregular. Sometime वो sometime मिलेगी हमें. ठीक है? So that is called irregular income. Same way it would be in a big amount. Okay, and also it is beneficial for more than 1 year if we can. Okay, so this is all about the capital receipt. Now revenue receipt. Revenue receipt is what? It is an income which can be earned on a regular basis. Okay, it is an income which can be earned on a regular basis. Okay, I give an example like sale of goods or services. If you are selling your goods on a regular basis, in reward of that you are getting some income on a regular way. So that regular way income is your revenue receipt. Okay, so this is the main difference between capital and revenue. Capital means which is irregular in nature, and revenue means it is regular in nature. Okay, so this is the main difference in revenue and capital receipt. Now the next, expenditure and expense. Now we will see both these terms together. Okay, expenditure and expense. Now we are thinking so that oh, this is similar in, but no, in accounting they are not similar in nature. I will tell you why it is so. Expenditure is what? It is one kind of payment. Okay, and expense is what? It is one kind of cost. Okay, Now we know payment and we know cost also. The cost is what? Any business do cost to generate revenue. Okay, so that is called cost. Okay, and payment means what? Whenever you purchase any goods to resell. Okay, so in that case you have to pay something. You have to pay some amount of that. Okay, so that is your expenditure. Okay, so in the case of purchase of goods or purchase of any asset, okay, purchase of goods or purchase of any asset, if you are doing so, then you have to pay. Okay, asset, or we can say raw material. Okay, to resell or manufacture. ओके, रॉ मटेरियल जो है वो तो प्रोडक्शन में यूज होगा, और जो प्रोडक्ट आपने परचेज की है, ठीक है, सो वो आप किस में यूज करेंगे? हाउ यू विल यूज इट? ऑफ कोर्स टू रीसेल. ओके, so in this case you have done some payment, or you have to do some payment. So what is that? That is your expenditure. Okay, and now expense is what? It is a cost for any business enterprise to generate revenue. Okay, the business enterprise are doing some expense to generate some revenue, so that is called a cost. Okay, so I give an example for that, like salary, if the business enterprise is paying. Okay, rent. Okay, if they are paying wages to the workers. Okay, so this all things are called cost. Okay, which will be counted in the production, in the manufacturing cost. Okay, whenever any product is manufactured, then we have to calculate the whole cost, and that's why we will calculate this whole thing, and then after we will decide the price that we know very well. Okay, so cost is what, or expense is what? It is a cost of a business. It is a cost which is done by any business enterprise to generate revenue. Okay, and the examples are salary, rent, and wages. While expenditure is what? It is a payment which is done by any business enterprise to purchase any goods or services to resell, any raw material to manufacture the further. Okay, or purchase of any asset. Okay, for this purpose they have to do some payment on this spot in future also, whatever it would be, but that would be an expenditure for the business enterprise. Okay, so that is an expenditure and this is an expense. Okay, now I will tell you one more thing about the expenditure. As we have seen the revenue in the receipt, that there are two types, revenue receipt and capital receipt. Same way in expenditure also there are two types. Okay, that is capital and revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure is what? Which is not regular but it is irregular in nature. Okay, which is irregular in nature means वो regular नहीं होता है, कभी कभी होता है, ठीक है. So it is irregular in nature, that is called capital expenditure, like payment of bank loan. Now this is a capital expenditure because sometimes we are paying loan. Okay, so this is not a regular expenditure for any business enterprise, so it is called capital expenditure. Okay, while revenue expenditure is what? It is regular expenditure. Okay, it is a regular expenditure for any business enterprise. Okay, I give an example for that. Purchase of goods or services to resell, purchase of raw material. Now you are doing this payment on a regular basis. Okay, so we can say that revenue expenditure is what? Yes, purchase of goods, purchase of raw material. This all are revenue expenditure because they are doing that we are doing that on a regular basis. Okay, that's why they are the revenue expenditure. And this is capital expenditure because it is not on a regular basis but it is irregular in nature. Okay, so this is all about the expenditure, and we have seen the expense also. The next we will see in the next video. Okay, so we will end this video. Thank you very much. See you.